Looking at gold on the monthly. Okay, this is traded into big level here. All the way through here you can see, we go back, resistance, spiked through, rejected. Okay, so now we're seeing a little bit of downside momentum. Let's have a look at this now on the weekly. So we've got a monthly level that's white. Now, here's the thing. Be a little bit careful, guys, because the big guns could be targeting liquidity above here. They haven't really taken out these highs yet. So, yeah, you want to be a little bit careful. Anyway, so we've got a bit of a pullback. They've taken out these highs here, but they haven't taken out this. That's my target. Then again, it's bearish and it could roll over. So just keep in mind that is definitely a level of interest up in here. We'll just call it 1M resistance, something like that. And then we'll go down the time frame. We've got quite an extended price swing. This makes sense to me. Fib, low to high, look at this. That makes sense to me. So you want to be a little bit careful. They could spike it up. This could rotate here and take out these stops. Look, gold is not an easy gig. But anyway, we'll go down the time frames. And what we can do is look for an opportunity on the lower time frame. So I do like what I'm seeing here. Daily, we have these highs taken out. Spikes up, lower high, lower lows. We've got a nice little trend forming here on the daily. So that's okay. We've got this break of structure right there. We'll just call it a BOS. Now we'll have a look at this on the lower time frame and the 4 hour. We might see if we can find an entry, but you just want to mark up these levels. We've got this green candle distribution on the daily. So I'll just grab that. While this is rolling over, we could get a little bit of distance out of this, because we have, well, let's just have a look at these price swings. Yeah, well, we'll just go from here. Swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Obvious target levels are going to be the lows under here. So that's currently attacking that, right? So that's our first port of call. We'll just call that a liquidity pool on the daily time frame there. Now, the next port of call is this price swing here under here. So that's going to be a target, potentially. It's going to go down to a 4 hour chart, but look, just be aware that this is big support. And if you want to look at this from a trend continuation, I'm always looking for that fib pullback, high to low. There it is, guys. And the pullback comes in right at the base of this distribution, green distribution candle, possibly something like that. I think that's what I'd be interested in. At the moment, this is overextended, and you're not getting the discount that you really deserve. So let's have a look at this on the 4H. Yeah, I mean, that makes a lot of sense to me. So be very, very careful. You know, you get in here short and you're chasing price. And I mean, look, yeah, it can roll over here and carry on. But personally, I would rather let it go. I don't want to get involved. Look at that, 61.8 fib zone. Trend continuation. It's not much of a trend. It's only just kicked off kind of back here, but that would be an entry short for me. So let's just do that. Short position, 61.8, the retrace up into here. Where do you want to put your stop? So you got this daily distribution here, a stop above that, go to town with your risk reward. But in saying that, I will be looking to take 2/3 of my position off at target 1. And at that point, this is then a profitable trade. We're in the money. I'm always looking for this 1-to-1, 2/3 off, always. You know, and then you pull your stop loss down to above the high if it pulls back up in here. And we can sit on that and then go for broke. I mean, who knows? But leave 1/3 of your position in and have a bit of fun with that until you see this trend shift gears. So look, that's my take on gold at the moment. Guys, I'd love to hear your comments. Let me know what you think. Let's share some insight. Learn a lot from each other in this space. Don't you love it? With that, yeah, click the link below. Jump on board our Telegram. It's free. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and I'll see you in the next one.